This is a new video in the series of how to prepare for civil services examination. While sharing the strategy for clearing the exam, UPSC toppers usually state to refer to few government websites such as PIB, PRS, Niti Aayog, etc. So in this video, I will guide you on how to utilize the content of PRS website for civil services examination. So firstly, the brief introduction of what is PRS. PRS legislative research tracks the functioning of the parliament and works with MPs. It provides parliament specific data as well as their analysis. So the analysis provided by the experts through this website is very important. So now analyzing the content which is provided by PRS and how it is useful for the civil services examination. Firstly, PRS provide the important bills and acts which have been placed or passed in the parliament and their analysis. For example, there is a bill on transgender. Firstly, it tells about the ministry which has placed it in the parliament. Then second, it discuss about the key features. Then the issues and analysis related to the draft rules or the bill. So if you scroll down, you will get the important features as well as the detailed analysis of the bill. So while reading this, a student should point out important notes. Mainly, they should focus on two things. First is the key features and the analysis. The analysis provided by PRS is in depth, so it will help in improving the analytical skill of the students as well. Now moving to the second part, it provides a monthly policy review. So for example, this is a monthly policy review of June 2020. So if you are opening the PDF of this file, the monthly policy review of June 2020. In this file, the content given is in short. So the content cannot be utilized directly for the examination as you have to add background and extra information to this, but this booklet can be utilized for the current affairs headings. For example, every student read a newspaper and jot down important points. So after the completion of a month, a student can refer the headings which he have listed from the newspaper with this PRS document so to add on the missing points. So in this way, he can enrich the current affairs material. Now moving to the third content which is provided by the PRS. This is a video section. So PRS provide the analysis of the bills in both Hindi and English, and this content can be utilized for the revision as well as for understanding the perspective of the bill. And the most important thing is these videos are bilingual, so it will be helpful for all the students. Now moving to the next part, this is under the policy section. So firstly, it provides the analytical reports. You don't have to read all the reports because, for example, the state of state finances 2019 to 20, you don't have to read it. The important reports which you have to refer is overview of the power sector, state of the Indian railways, land records and titles in India, police reforms, etc. For example, if you are opening a report on police reforms in India, it will discuss in short all the issues faced by the police and the recommendations for that. And the content and the data provided in this are authentic, so it can be utilized directly for the examination and you don't have to refer other materials for the preparation of these topics. So the notes can be helpful for the mains examination. Now moving to the second part, that is the committee reports. Under this, the reports are provided by the committee on the issues which are in contemporary nature, such as the issues related to safety of women, system of fertilizer subsidy, alarming issue of pornography on social media and its impact on children and society. PRS cannot be just utilized for paper 2, that is for the polity and governance. It provides reports and articles on the social issues, economic issues, as well as other issues. So PRS is a repository of materials important for the civil services examination. So for example, if you are reading this issues related to safety of women, so in this it is a standing committee report. So the recommendations of this report can be placed directly in the answers to fetch good marks, because in every answer related to social issues or in which they have asked about the recommendations, if you are placing the recommendations of experts or committees, then it will bring more authentication to the answer and you will be able to fetch more marks. Similarly, in the primers, they provide the articles written by the experts on the specific polity issues. So the primer can be mainly used for the polity and governance. The blogs provided by PRS are very important and the content is very rich. And the blogs have been written by experts, so there is no doubt in the authentication of the material. Similarly, there is an article section. It provides a compilation of articles which have been written by experts in different newspaper editorials. So if you have missed any topic from the editorials, you can refer to this portion in PRS, which will help you in enriching your material. Now summarizing the content provided by PRS and its importance. So firstly, I have discussed it provides information about the articles, bills and its analysis. Second, it provides monthly policy review which can be utilized for enriching the current affairs headings. Third, it provides videos and the videos are in or of short duration, so it can be utilized for revision as well. Fourthly, they provide analytical reports and committee reports and the recommendations provided by that committees can be directly utilized in the mains examination. Fifth, they provide the blogs written by the experts. Though the blog duration is not frequent, but the blog's content is very important and very enriched, so it can be utilized properly. And the sixth, they provide a compilation of the articles written by experts in different newspapers. So in toto, PRS is a repository of material important for polity, governance, society, economy, as well as for the essays. So a student should refer to the PRS website. And the last thing is that if you are searching for any topic and you are moving from one tab to different, it will become tedious task. So now a strategy on how to utilize the content properly in less time. So when you start preparing for examination, keep the syllabus in front of you. The paper 2 syllabus has mentioned Panchayat Raj system. So in this search option, you can write Panchayat and press enter. Then the important articles related to panchayats will be visible at one point. For example, improvement in functioning of panchayats, Nyaya Panchayat draft bills. So, improvement in functioning of panchayat, it provides a standing committee report on the panchayat system. Similarly, if you are reading any topic, you can directly place that topic in the search option. It will help in utilizing your time in a better way and you will be able to get good articles directly without scrolling from one portion to other portion. Hope you have found this video useful, and in the next video I will guide you on how to utilize PIB for civil services examination. Thank you.
Thanks for watching this video. Please like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel and share it with your friends. For more guidance and strategy, you can visit our website www.ishelpdesk.in. Also, if you have any queries related to preparation, you can send us a mail at info@ishelpdesk.in. You can also send a WhatsApp message on 85860 Do let us know your feedback in the comment section below. Also, let us know if you are facing any challenges in your preparation, and we will try to make a relevant video for resolving the same. Thank you.